Hey, how's it going? It's Chris here, and today I'm gonna make some protein donuts. So I got all the ingredients I need right over here, and this is inspired by Remington James. So I got my liquid egg whites, some baking powder, some cocoa powder. This is gonna be my protein powder, some all-purpose flour over there. Then on the other side, you got some swerve, sugar replacement, and a bunch of mixed berries. Oh, and I also have a Ninja blender right here because I want to be extra and I want to use this instead of a whisk because I don't know when to whisk. Alright, so first thing you want to do is grab your liquid egg whites. I got these from Aldi's right here. They're like $3.50 for this entire thing. I'm gonna want about 120 grams of these liquid egg whites. Now I'm gonna grab some protein powder. I'm gonna use 2 scoops or 60 grams of this. Now you're going to want to grab your flour. I have all-purpose flour over here. I'm going to grab 30 grams of this with a spoon. Now I'm going to grab some baking cocoa. I'm going to use about 15 grams of this. Alright, now grab your baking powder and you're going to use 1 teaspoon. Alright, now get your sugar replacement. You can use Splenda or whatever. I'm using Swerve over here. And I'm going to grab 30 grams of this. Now finally, grab your mixed berries. And I'm going to do 1 serving, which is 140 grams of this. Now for the best part, we're gonna blend this entire thing up right now. I actually just got this Ninja blender yesterday. I haven't used it yet, so this is gonna be the first time I'm using it. That's why I want to use it so badly right now. Power. And let's see, what should I do? Low. So after mixing the whole thing up, you're gonna want to grab a little bit of spray, get your pans, and then begin spraying all of it. Now I don't know how many donuts I can make. I know I can make at least 6, but just in case, I'm gonna spray all 12 holes over here. Awesome. Yeah, that is thick. Alright, so as soon as you fill up all of this over here, you're going to want to put it in the oven at 260 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Now, I would normally go higher, but this microwave only goes up to 260 degrees, so that's what it is, and that's what it's set. Oops. Alright, there we go. Ooh, that's hot. Alright, now I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. And I'll be back. Alright, it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to check it out right now. Looking pretty good. I'd say that's ready. I'm going to go get the glove right now. There's 1, and there's 2. Voila. I'm gonna let those cool for a little bit before I get touching them, alright? Alright, so after 10 minutes of this baking, you're gonna be left with these 11 donuts over here. Each is gonna have 4.8 grams of carbs, 0.5 grams of fat, 5.6 grams of protein, totaling each mini donut for 49 calories. And I plugged that in all to MyFitness Pal, so that's where I got these stats. So now they're all nice and ready to be taken out and ready to be put into a container. So I have a container right there. We're left with these beautiful berry donuts. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite out of one of these. So this kind of reminds me of a muffin. And the texture of it on the inside. I think one thing I could have done to improve, probably should have added like xanthan gum or something into this to make it rise a little more, because it is kind of flat. But it does taste pretty good, so I like it. Alright, to give it a little more flavor, you can add some sort of topping, maybe some whipped cream or something. If you want, you can go for some low-calorie syrup. Or maybe you want to douse it in some sugar-free chocolate syrup. And there you have your mini donuts.